Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to install NodeJS on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So let's begin. To install NodeJS, you first have to download the NodeJS from the site, that is https://nodejs.org/en/download. So I have given this link in the description, you can find it right there. Let's go to this link. Select the desired version for your system. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll select the 64-bit. Click here, it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so won't do it again. So here's my file. I'm gonna open it to install. It will take some time to compute your system storage and other things. Then click next. I have already installed it, so it's giving option for change, repair and remove, but for you it will directly appear this window. Here you have to click next, and if you want you can take it or you can also omit it. It's not a necessary but an additional thing in this. So click next, and when you click here it will start installing. It will take some time to install. Don't worry, the installation will be successful. When it is complete, click on the finish icon. Now to check if you have completely installed NodeJS, you have to do one thing. You have to open the command prompt window, type in cmd and click OK. Now here you have to write node-v, and look here, it shows version 14.17.4. it shows that you have completely installed the NodeJS. Now to install the add-on packages that are required for NodeJS to learn, you have to type npm space install npm space -- global. It will take some time to install. Look here, it has completely installed. I have already done that, that's why it's saying removed here, but no worries, it will run. Now let's make our first program on NodeJS. To do so, you have to open any text editor. I'm gonna open Notepad for that. You can use anything, VS Code, Sublime Text or any of the editors available. So for it you have to type a command. First create a variable where http is equals to require single quote http single quote closed bracket semicolon, then http.create to create a local server for your program to run on browser. Then we call function and two variables request and register. Then we write our message here, res.write. Here you can type any string or anything you want to display on the web page. I am gonna type hello Jarvis, I am admin PC, double quotes close, now bracket closed and semicolon. Then you have to write rest.end to end it. Then you have to close all the brackets that you have opened, parenthesis, and then you have to call .listen, and in the parentheses you have to give the local server that is 8080 for this to run, and then semicolon. Now go on save as. I'm gonna save it on desktop. You can save it anywhere you want, but remember, here you have to click on all files and save it with .js extension. Once you have done it, click save. And now to run your program, you again have to open command prompt. Go to desktop or whatever location you have chosen for your file. Type node space file name .js, and it has successfully loaded. Now to see if your program worked or not, click here on your browser. You can use any browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. Type localhost :8080. See, here you can see the message we have typed in that resource.write. So here is hello Jarvis, I am admin PC. So look, your program worked and everything is completely okay. So that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, please click the like button, subscribe the channel, and please share the video. Thank you.